Hello? Okay, we're trying again. Okay, can I skip? Can I? Okay, we're watching
Okay,
it.
Simon? I think you're bleeding.
Oh, that's nothing. It's just my brain can't stop bleeding from the accident.
Here, take this.
No, that's for later, for the scan.
It's green.
Ashley, I need to tell you something.
Simon, please don't make this weird.
No, it's not like that. Why now?
Who's David Munchie?
Why is there never enough time?
For what?
Yeah, I'm up.
Hi, Simon Jarrett?
Yeah, that's me.
My name is David Munchie. We spoke earlier.
The brain scan, I remember.
Are you alright?
Yeah, just a bad dream. Are we still on for today?
Yeah, that's why I'm calling. I wanted to remind you to drink the tracer fluid I sent you. It'll help me capture a better image of the damages.
Don't worry, I got it somewhere.
Okay, great. Well, I'll see you in a couple of hours then.
Okay, see you soon.
Why does this creep doesn't have a mirror? I mean, the character's called Simon, and last time I played Simon I also had a chair that I could roll with. Oh, you're right, yeah. No, don't do that to me, come on. No! Worst game ever. I hate it. Oh, never mind, it's the best. I love it. There we go. Now I can sit when I brush my teeth. Hell yeah! Oh, yes, yeah. Do you ever want to sit when you wash? just imagine, hey, I'm gonna take a shower, you wanna sit down? Clearly the tracer fluid is in here. Oh yeah, can I flush it? Oh my god, I can flush it! I can touch everything! I love it! Yes! 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 Wait, what the? What is that? Did I just? Okay, I actually flushed the toy! What the and I got a like 19p, what does that even mean? What did I do? This guy is a photographer apparently. A photographer who has a picture of his feet on the sand as his pride and joy. But I don't understand. It's not flashing. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the chair there already. Yeah, that seems. Yeah, there we go. The guy just dunk, and just flushing every 5 minutes. I would be so concerned. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. Give me the bottle. I want the bottle. Can I move? I want a bottle. Sir, can you hand me the bottle?
It's all a lie. Stinking awful lie.
Ignore.
Got you covered.
Thanks. I should be able to come to the store after the scan.
Don't sweat it. I got Matt and Chris helping me out.
Maddie from SNL?
Guess you didn't hear? He's coming in full time, working the comics section.
That's Ashley's job.
Yeah, well, you know.
Forget it. Not doing her any favors by leaving an empty spot. Not like she's coming back.
Aww.
Good luck. Hope they find a way to reverse the whole, dying thing.
Real smooth.
Dying thing? You're the worst support ever.
I would have said the same.
I'll see you later, Jesse. Don't burn the place down while I'm gone.
Over and out, buddy.
Are you okay? Are you okay, dude? I can cane you if it makes you feel better. Okay, bye. Don't breathe like that when you jump. What the fuck is? That's definitely how I read it. Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're gonna do a scan of your brain.
Then we build a computer model of it and bombard it with stimuli. The program will help us to quickly iterate your treatment plan until it's fully optimized. In short, develop the perfect treatment for your condition.
So it's not just a study, this will actually help me.
Well, I should hope so. Otherwise, this would be a huge waste of time. You are Simon Jarrett, correct?
Yes.
Right.
Toronto, Canada, David Munchie. Born 1988, July 16.
Right.
Flat neurograph, version 6. Good. All files in order.
Will this hurt?
It's just a scan. It'll hurt about as much as getting your picture taken.
Indians thought cameras would steal their souls.
Is that so? Well, let's hope they're wrong. Ready? Say cheese.
Alright. Cheese. Oh, that is loud. Oh, that is loud. Am I dead? Oh.
Hello? Mr. Munchie?
Come on, you can
This
do
isn't
it.
funny.
You can do it, Simon. There we are. Let's do it. Oh ho ho.
What the hell is this place? How did I get here?
Oh yes, I know exactly what to do. Yes! I'm a genius. I'll do it again. I swear I'll do it again. I'll fucking do it again. I'll flush a little later, don't worry. What happened here? What? Why? Oh.
Hey you. Can you talk? Can you talk like the others? Why are you like this?
I don't know.
You want some structure, Joe? Yeah, you do. So weird. Doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna shut you down now, okay? Yeah, you're creepy as hell, so I'm gonna shut you down.
How did I do that?
No! Wait. Is that from the other side of the... Is that from the other side? Oh, something broke through here. Oh god. Oh fuck. Oh god. Oh. Oh, this is a poor place to hide. What am I hiding from? There's nothing. Are you silly? Alright, shit. I'll check on that later. Whatever you do, I'm armed. I guess I gotta check that anyways. It's where you heard 100 screams. Alright, where's the damage? Oh, that's oh yes, a shower. There we are. Oh. Oh! Hello! It was you who was making the sound, wasn't it? Okay, okay, I see what happened, yeah. Okay, good to know. Are you okay then? Great. Do you need anything? Right. So, okay, riveting. I'm pretty sure that what's dripping is oil. Oil.
I know they told you that field technicians would get full access throughout Pesos 2. I'm here to tell you that's not going to happen. Don't get me wrong, I don't want to get in your way. We need you guys to keep this place up and running, but there needs to be at least some level of security on these things. I don't want to hear you barge into some quarantined area at Omicron and just knocked out the whole place with some virus, or whatever the hell they're doing over there. This is what you can do. You'll be able to use it to open doors, basically all of them. If you can't, there's something wrong or someone didn't want you in there. Then what do?
And what do I do?
You shove that Omnitool into a terminal and see if you can't get around it somehow. I mean, sometimes you'll need to get into places where you don't belong. Just find a way. You're an engineer, for crying out loud.
Oh, that's... Okay. Where do I put the chip? Oh fuck me! Shit. I don't know what I expected. I don't know what the fuck I expected. Okay, while you were gone I shit you not, I tried to eat a wire. And I got, shockingly, I got electrocuted. Here. Yeah. Oh. I love the fact that it's called Oops Salon. Because saying UPS in Spanish means the oops with double O in English. So it's like a station of oops. Oh. Oh.
Ah! What was that?
What did I do?
It doesn't hurt anymore.
Oh, okay. It sauced me too. I admire the how intact this is. Don't touch the structure, gel leakage. Can't confirm it's a bag. I just showered in it 10 minutes ago. Guess I'm dead. Oh, hi.
Hey, can you hear me?
That's a no? No. Here we go. What? 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 This? This?
I need it.
Okay. Not.
Why? I was okay.
Oh, I kill her. Cool.
What
Oh.
is it? What's happening? Hello? Is there anyone there?
Hey, can you hear me?
I hear you. Upsilon, what's going on?
I have no idea. I just sort of woke up here.
In the room right now?
It was like a seat with a helmet.
Is that right? What's your name?
I'm Simon Jarrett.
And what do you... signal... Damn relays. Where are you now?
Someplace dealing with electrical power. I'm not sure if it's a plant or a transformer.
Yeah, you're probably in the thermal plant somewhere. You want to go upstairs to the comm center. It's the room with the dome ceiling.
Hey, look, this place is not... There's something seriously wrong here. Hello?
Of course, you cut
I'm
the...
sorry I didn't catch
Oh.
that. We lost another relay. Just listen, head for the comm center upstairs. I'll wait here.
Okay. Okay, that's better for me. Yeah, climb on something. Let me check. Wait, oh! Oh! I get it. Wow. Okay, this is definitely not the path. What if I get... Oh no, there's also a railing there. This game hates fun. Locked, naturally. Who needs stairs? Ow! You want it? Oh, that's what... Oh, that's bad, that's bad. No. What does the warning sign say? Something locked. I cannot make it up. I guess I gotta go through here? Where it came from? Or... Oh yeah, naturally I won't be able to go there because Vapor. Yeah, look at that. Is he here? He's definitely here! No. No. I'm not here. Oh, gee. Okay, warning, burning. Oh, okay, this one. Ow! Oh, come on! Oh, jeez. Uh-oh. You can't catch me, you bitch. You're too fat. There's nothing work here. No, this ain't it. This ain't it. Oh my god. Oh. Where do I go now? Where do I go now? Where do I go now? Who wants to see me here? Oh my god. Don't. No, please, no, I don't want it. Oh my No, just leave! Just leave! Just leave! Just leave! Leave! Where do I go now? How do I get out of here? Oh, right, the pipes. I'm an idiot. No, wait, no. I'll go around. Oh, is he going down that? Please go there. Oh, you piece of shit. Give me a break a sweat. Don't mind if I do. I'll get you in a second. I'll get that guy in a second. I heard him up there, but right to oh.
Oh god, he's dead? He's dead.
What do you fucking think? All right, who is it? Do you need help? I have a drill.
What the hell happened to you?
I can't use the.
Hello? Can you hear me?
Shut up! Shut up! Wait, are you?
Right next to you.
Oh, so you're the guy? Oh, that's you.
Are you human?
Shit, did my body give it away? I try hard staying a mystery. Yeah, I'm human. Are you?
My name is Simon. Do you know anything about this place?
Oh, you knew. That makes this slightly less weird. Did you go diving in sewage or something?
Hey. Oh, what did I do? Oh! No! Oh! Sorry!
I'm really hurt.
Okay, I won't do that. Sorry. Yep, Carl sank him. Okay, he has a memory.
Did you get the final backup turbos going?
Everything is wired evenly. We've hedged our bets as much as we possibly can.
So that's it? Enough power to run Pathos 2 until the next apocalypse. We're ready to go.
I really hope we didn't mess anything up. I don't want to have to come back here again.
Relax, it's over. We're going to Theta.
Maybe we should seal more blocks. I don't trust the helpers to let this place run in peace.
We've sealed everything. Everything from the barracks to the comm center. If anyone ever sets their foot here again, they're gonna have a hell of a time getting around.
Oh. Oh god. Okay, so this didn't kill it apparently. Oh yeah, the ID says 0722. What over here? Oh, you're fine, I don't blame you. Turn around. Hey, turn around. We seal Epsilon to keep it working. Don't fuck it up. Carl was not my fault. Mind your head, what? Oh! I deserve that one. Here. Oh yeah, I had to flip the switch that I almost killed the guy. This thing, I need to activate it, and it's the one on the other room. Alright, Carl, talk to me. Who? Who do you? I sent the email, but that's the thing. Yeah, that's the thing. Just an email. How do you expect to contact with just an email in this? Shut up. Let me talk.
I'm sorry. I think I pulled the wrong lever.
Oh, don't sweat it. Just get me a doctor.
Won't a mechanic make more sense?
You trying to be fucking funny? Give me a medic.
He doesn't know, right?
But you're a robot.
Yeah.
Really? The robots have legs, hands, a face. You're delusional.
Okay, calm down. I won't.
Get some fucking help. Don't touch me.
Okay.
Let me Holland. Don't touch me.
Okay, he's looping. Yeah, I don't see any. I don't see any other option than just pull this. I mean, what else can I do for the guy?
Please, find help.
Oh, don't worry, I got the help right here. Okay, what if I... Are you good?
You okay? Hello?
No, he's
Can you
dying.
hear me?
Okay, one more time. That didn't do the trick. One more time. I'm trying to understand the situation, Carl. You're not cooperating with me. I'm doing what I can, okay? Carl, shut up. What?
Hey,
Now you're not. Oh, it's that how it's going to be. Now you don't want to talk to me anymore, okay? I see how it is. Fuck you. Alright, power status has changed. That's progress. There we go. We just needed to turn that on. Okay. Okay, thank you, Carl. Alright, let me try again. Okay, I'm sorry. Oops! Oh, we got a pickle. I can't pull it back. I'm sorry. I didn't know that. Look, Carl. It's jammed. It's jammed. I can't help you. So the way this can work is that can you just scream a bit lower? I want to focus on getting out of here. Thank you, bye. It's okay, Carl's fine, look at him. See? He's fine. Now we're good. Out of sight, I don't mind. Yeah. See? Carl's fine. He's not making any sound. Oh, I can help Carl now. Read this. We strain the system. If you pull the lever, there's no... Oh... Okay. Alright, Carl. Oh, wait. Carl's fine, look. He's okay. Uh-oh. Carl protects me. Oh my god, oh god, oh god, oh yeah. No, I'm not here, I'm not here, I'm not here, I'm not here. You're no, 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 no. They're Carl's Avengers. No, I came from there, didn't I? Wait, no, no, I can't. There we go. Oh my god, I'm. Okay, bye. That's better. There we are.
Hey, are you there? I found the dome ceiling.
Oh, that's better. Simon, was it?
Jarrett, Simon Jarrett.
Hi, Simon. I'm Catherine. Have you figured out what's going on yet?
Me? I was hoping you'd have some answers.
I probably have some. What do you want to know?
Where to even begin? I mean, what is this place? How did I get here? And why do the robots talk like they're people?
Well, you're at Upsilon, clearly. Have you never been there before? Where did you work?
The Grimoire in Toronto. Is that really important?
No, I mean, where did you work at Pathos 2?
I don't know what that is.
That's unexpected. Did you come directly from Toronto?
Yeah, just.
Yeah, I did. And it was very unexpected.
Have you seen any people? Like staff or field technicians?
Only robots, crazy ones. Except for one. I think he said his name was Carl. He was okay, but
He's dead now.
I'm pretty sure I
Oh. Well, you know, robots don't feel anything. So. Yeah.
What was that? Whoa!
What's going on?
I think this place is about to collapse. What do I do?
Simon, come to Lambda.
How do I get
That's
there?
easy for you.
Sound trains connecting all the sites. Find one and come here. I'll wait for you.
Okay, cool. Oh, but I haven't read the. Oh.
Shit! Where should I? Oh, fuck!
This is lovely. This is so lovely. Passport? No, transport. Okay, passport. This doesn't seem right. Are you robots too? Okay, well, they're weird fish. Oh, I hate it. Light. Thank you. Hello? What do you need? Come to me. Hug me. Hug me. Come here. Aw. Hug me. Ah! Just dead because of you, you dumb fuck. Two. Hello. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Ah. Where are you going? Where are you going? See? Red is bad, green is good. Oh, it's you again. Get the fuck away from me. That's bad, I guess. What can you do it? Oh, bless you. You're the best.
Let's hope the shuttle still works.
Maybe it just loaded in that map. certainly lights I could use. Oh,
How did I...
yeah.
Where did I get a flashlight?
Where? How? When? Hi. Oh, there's. Oh, that's. You're alive even. Oh, you.
Hey, are you...
Don't hurt me.
Can I help?
It won't let me die. Nothing is allowed to die.
Yeah, that does look at Amy. Amy. Hey. Can I? Oh, there. Oh.
Shit. Are you okay?
Did I? Oh, if I pulled it.
Oh, fuck.
Don't look. Don't look. She's fine. She's fine. Don't look at her. Don't look at her. She's fine. Look, she can hold. No. She said she couldn't die. Clearly, I proved her wrong. Yes. And go. We're going through Lambda, listen. Yeah, we're here. We did Lambda. Lambda, right? I don't want to go elsewhere. Reassure me before I make a mistake. Oh, hey.
Welcome to Pathos 2, your expressway to the stars. What started as a thermal mining operation in the 60s has now become home to the Omega Space Gun, the world's most affordable way to launch satellites and deep space probes. Our unique Atlantic Ocean location allows for this gigantic coil gun, running longer than a marathon, to safely launch projectiles without risk of damaging the payload with risky combustion. The station has multiple sites and has a diverse staff of engineers and scientists. Together, they are able to produce, assemble, and launch the world's most sophisticated spacecrafts. In addition to our principal operation, Pathos 2 is also the home for multiple research projects within the marine sciences, including hydroculture, turbulence, and deep-sea construction. We are now leaving Upsilon for Lambda. Lambda is Pathos 2's shipping dock and transportation hub. There you will be able to find shuttle trains leading to all the other parts of the station and towards this service.
Alright, I think we're good. This is a perfect shot for something to just show up and crash into me. We still have 40. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no.